Come on. Who am I? Mr. B. Now how can I drop a remix in the rush? I got the keys to the #1 slot. Yeah, damn, I'm so hot. Brian's gonna make you dance. Party squad got the beats that'll make you freak, and the bass that'll make your head go smack. Cause I'm just so grown like that. Yeah, what?
I don't like it, man, when every chick in the club trying to grab my hand. Don't like it when I'm walking by it trying to say some shit cause I'm looking fly. Don't like it when you call me out my name and get mad cause I said no to your drink. Why can't you just let me breathe, enjoy the music, get off of me? You really wanna pull my hair out, you're the reason I don't like coming out. Instead of kicking that madness out your mouth, too grown for that, too grown for that. You really wanna pull my hair out, you're the reason I don't like coming out. Too grown for that, too grown, I'm just too grown for that, too grown for that. When you're standing by me, you're trying to sneak over and stand behind me. Don't like it when you step on my feet cause you're dancing all hard to them dark out beats. Don't like it when you're pulling on me, talking about can I get you in the VIP? Why can't you just let me breathe, enjoy the music, get off of me? If I didn't have to, I wouldn't even be here. Because I am in the moment that I want you all up in my ear. Just in case you didn't hear me, I'ma say it once more clearly. Why don't you just give it up? I'm knocking in your truck. Oh, you make me wanna. Yeah, you're the reason I don't like coming out. Said I'm too grown for that, too grown for that. Yeah, yeah. You're the reason I don't like coming out. Too grown for that, too grown. I'm just too grown for that, too grown for that. You say you wanna take me to islands. You say you wanna lace me with diamonds. You say you wanna make me a star. When you gonna come with some new game? You say you gonna buy up the bar. Wanna buy me a new car. I'm too grown for that, too grown. I'm just too grown for that. Yeah, yeah. What? I like this part. Said I'm too grown for that, too grown for that. Yeah. What? Said I'm too grown, I'm too grown. Yes, I'm too grown, I'm too grown for that.